This is a X79 motherboard from a Machinist company. This is basically a Chinese motherboard. I use this to run Proxmox and almost 7 Windows VMs in this. I've been using this system for continuously for more than 2 years now, and right now I'm facing an issue where this drive or this motherboard is not detecting the SSD on the NVMe drive. So for this I have ordered this PCi NVME card, expansion card, and I will try this and let's see if our NVMe gets detected in the system. As you can see, I can put anything from the size X1 to M1 to M2 to NVMe on this, and this goes right well in the PCi X2 slot. There's one X4 slot and there's one X2 slot. I use this X4 slot for graphics card because Machinist X79 motherboard does not have a graphics card, so you'll not get the output. Currently I have a Xeon E2690V5 processor in this with 8 cores and 16 threads, 16x4 64 GB ECC Registered RAM, and this is a basic cabinet. So let's install it and try. I have installed this 1 TB WD Green NVME SSD on this. I will have two SSDs, one 128 GB SSD which contains the Proxmox system, and this 1 TB SSD contains all the disk containers of the VMs present. We have installed the PCi NVME Expansion Card and basic NVIDIA graphics card. Fun fact, this graphics card is 10 years old. And we have connected a DVI cable to our Dell monitor, DVI to DVI. I have connected the LAN, a keyboard and a power cable. We will see if this boots up. Let's see if we get the display. Machinist motherboard generally takes some time, but it gave a sound, and we have the display out, Proxmox's. So we have logged into the Proxmox web GUI in the same system which was working. Now it has come online, and we are installing a 1 TB NVMe. So let's see, go to, yeah, you can see this NVMe 1 TB is online, 850 GB is used. I have some VM disks on this, and these are 6-7 VMs I use, half of which is online, half of which we will start, and it should turn on properly. It should detect Windows. Yeah, it has started detecting Windows and it's going online. I was facing issue with the motherboard. Let's hope we will not face it again with the NVMe expansion card. And our server is up and running. It's taking some time because Windows have crashed multiple times, so it will take a startup repair. But this is the system, 64 gigs of RAM, 16 CPUs, and a pretty good network. Check out my other videos on Proxmox, where I'll show you how to set up a home lab, and I access all these systems remotely from anywhere in the world using my basic internet connection and a reverse VPN. Thank you.